Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. May the lights of Diwali diyas fill your life and home with wealth, happiness and everything that brings you the joy. Wish you and your entire family a very happy Diwali. May the prosperity and happiness fill your life with shine of diyas and echoes of chants. Very happy Diwali guys. Let's get into a video of Realme XT. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video we are going to talk and unbox Realme XT, which is of variant 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Okay, nothing more, let's don't waste the time, let's get into the video. Let's quickly unbox the Realme XT. Okay guys, this is the outcome of the box. It shows Realme XT on the box, and also it comes with a 64 megapixel quad camera and also with the VOOC Flash 3.0 charge. Realme 5, it says the same. Hey, welcome to the Realme family, and also as same, it comes with some Teflon UV case with some basic paperwork as usual. Yep. So okay guys, this is what the look after removing the hey, welcome to the Realme family. And there is also another quote: let embrace a new journey into Realme. Okay, just keeping it aside and just getting into the box. So here we go. We get the Realme phone. The color of the phone is pearl blue, and it also comes with a triple slot. And here is the mobile. We'll remove the wrap in some time. Before that, we will just look into the box contents. And after removing the phone, you get a solid case, like just a protective case. And the most waiting thing of the video, it comes with a VOOC adapter. It means you will get dash 3.0 with this adapter that you are gonna get when compared to the other. Now every flagship phone comes with a most probably 3 VOOC charge or a quick charge of 3.0. And at Realme 5, the VOOC charger was missing, and a regular 2.4 volts charger, and it comes with a regular USB Type A port. But in this device, it comes with a VOOC charger and also a USB Thunderbolt Type-C. I think you can see it. Comes with a Type-C, and the wiring is also so solid. It's cool. And regarding box, that's it. So I totally forgot regarding the ejector pin. It is the main gadget where you have card slot, or you wanna insert a new SIM card or new memory card, you should compulsory use this ejector tool. But for Realme, the ejector tool is completely different when compared to other models. It actually for other models it comes like a smooth tip, but for Realme it comes like a hardened tip or the cutted tip. It is something unique for Realme. Hey guys, here is the phone. It comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Here you can see, and also it comes with a quad camera and a lovely. And here it comes with a power button with yellow color mark over it. And also that's it about the side. This is the right side of the phone, and on the left side you will get lovely volume rockers over here, and also a tiny nitty notch on the front side of the phone, and quad camera as usual with a 64 megapixel of camera. And also at the bottom of the phone The quite interesting thing in this mobile is you will also get a 3.5mm headphone jack missing in almost all the flagship mobiles which are coming right now into market. And I like it that also giving a 3.5mm headphone jack. That is good about Realme and of this modern Realme XT. And at one side it gives a purple look and other side it gives a blue, elegant blue look. And here we go, the phone is here with a 64 megapixel camera on the back and also a 16 megapixel camera on the front, quad camera. And that's it. It comes with a glass, you can see it at the side, this metal base and metal rim at the sides edges of the phone, and at the back it will come with a glass. And there is a primary microphone on the upper side for noise cancellation, and also there is another microphone at the downside. These both work as best for the noise cancellation. The look is so cool. As usual, Realme 5 as a Realme 5 and the Realme XT also, it comes with a golden look. So cool of this phone. Okay, this is the phone. Just power it on. I'll get back to you after setting up everything. Okay guys, till then you enjoy some special effect of this phone. try the face unlock and also the fingerprint unlock. Now the phone screen is off. It is a fingerprint scanner. Boom. And once more, yeah, it is working fine. And I am going to show you again the face unlock. Boom. just within a fraction of seconds it is getting unlocked via face unlock, and also within fingerprint it is also getting unlocked within 0.6 milliseconds. And now we are seeing the face unlock for the last time. That's it regarding the phone Realme XT. So it comes with a Snapdragon 712 octa-core processor, which is damn speed. Its primary speed is 2.3 GHz. I've already played some games and I've used it for some while. The performance was quite good. It comes with a ColorOS of 6.1. Have you heard it? I'm just putting the fingerprint. That is something like creepy alien sound. It is so cool. And regarding sound, it comes with a Dolby Atoms, and you can change between smart, movie, gaming and music. There are 4 different modes in Dolby Atoms. You can switch between them, and also you will get additional options when you have connected your headphones via 3.5mm audio jack, which is given at the bottom of the phone. And regarding, there is also a headphone monitor, which is so cool. And till then I will share some videos of this phone which has been taken via 64 megapixel. I forgot to show you the sound quality, as Dolby Atoms has been involved into a Realme XT. Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to talk regarding Realme 5 which has been recently launched in India. Today we are going to unbox the version of 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM. So okay, nothing more, don't waste the time, let's get into the video. Just hear the sound. That was pretty loud. So regarding Realme XT, it starts from the price point of 15,999 of 4GB RAM 64GB variant, and also there are two colors, that is pearl white and pearl blue. This one is the pearl blue, which I have got. One side it will be something like blue, and one side it will be like blue. And also there are over 3 variants, that is 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. It is around 15,999 in Flipkart, and 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM, it is around 16,999. And also 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM, it is around 18,999. This is my variant, 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. This is a variant which comes with an 18,999 price point at in India. I will share some more details in the description box below. And that's it for this video. We are gonna end this with box charge adapter, which has been got from the mobile of Realme XT. This comes with an 5W output with 4A charger, which is pretty cool, and it is also made in India. And you can feel the weight of the charger, as it is box charge 3.0. You can compulsory feel the weight. And also regarding the I forgot to show, there is triple slot setup on this phone. Like in the old phone there was triple slot facility in the Realme 5, and also the same in the Realme XT. Okay, here is a triple slot. You can put 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. This is something different when compared to the flagship phones, as flagship phones comes most probably with single memory card and or dual SIM card. You can use dual SIM card at the same time, or else you can use one SIM or one memory card at the same time. But when come to Realme XT, you can use both the 2 nano SIM cards at the same time and also memory card. That's it regarding your phone. So guys, as this video has came to an end, I would like to tell thank you very much for watching, and also do like, share and subscribe to my channel Veet Saket. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. There will be a beautiful red color subscribe button, and when you hit it, there is a bell icon. Don't forget to hit it, as it will give you more notifications when I come to a live, or else I have just upload a new video onto my channel. Follow me on Instagram. There will be link in the description box below, and also you can simply search my name tag as capital V, capital I and capital R. It is so simple, VIRV, and you will get all the notifications and updates before you will see into the YouTube channel. I have already released the video that I am going to unbox Realme XT on my channel before. So when you are going to follow me on Instagram, you will get more updates regarding me and what I am going to do in the next upcoming videos. So don't forget to follow and do like, share, subscribe to my channel Veer Saket. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, bye bye and take care. Love you.